So problem number 18 presents us with a system of equations, and they ask us to find the value of x that solves the system. So I looked at this and I realized both equations are in standard form. My x's line up, my y's line up, the equal signs line up, numbers by themselves are on the other side of those equal signs. So usually when the system is presented where both equations are in standard form, I go with elimination to solve the system. And in this case, that's especially easy because we already have the coefficients of the x's both being positive 1. So I realized if I do 1x minus 1x, I get 0x. So I'm subtracting the bottom equation from the top one. Y minus 2y gives me negative 1y, and then negative 9 minus negative 25 gives me positive 16. So if negative 1y equals positive 16, divide both sides by negative 1 to get the solution for y. Now it asked for the solution of x, so it'd be a shame if you accidentally put negative 16 in as your answer for this. We would have to plug this back in place of one of the original y's and then try to solve for x. So if I put negative 16 in place of the y in the top equation, I would then add 16 to the negative 9 to isolate x, and the solution that I would have to grid in for x, and this is the extent of what you'd have to grid in. So I guess it's a little misleading that I boxed this up. Let me go ahead and just kind of erase that real fast. I'm not gridding in a 16, I'm gridding in a 7.